In this video, I'm going to share with you the definition of the three edges. You've probably seen people talk about you have to have an edge in the market, you have to have an edge. What is your edge? What is your A plus setup in the market? And I disagree with that mindset. Everybody should have an edge in their strategy, in their psychology, and in their risk management. An edge is not one thing. An edge is this area right here. I don't know if I can draw. Yeah, this area right here is your edge. You can have an amazing strategy that you follow over and over again, but you don't have a good risk management to be able to risk and gain buffer and leverage from the wins that you're taking. Or you might have a good strategy and good psychology, but you don't have, I don't know, good risk management, or you have these two, but you don't have good psychology. And let me just break it down to you how these affect each other. So let's say you have a good strategy and a good risk management, right? You have good strategy and good risk management. This is the trade I took today. I'm not here just to boast that I took a winning trade. I'm just going to show you a strategy and a risk management. So if I have a good strategy, I know what I'm looking for. I have an edge in the market, something I'm repeating on a daily basis and I'm looking for, and I know what I'm looking for in the market. So this is what I'm looking for in the market, and I know how much I'm willing to risk on this trade. So this trade happens, and this is what happens usually, right? Let me do a bar replay. So this is what happens. It just broke structure. The market just broke structure. I'm waiting for it to reach fair value gap right here. Should I? Oh, it reached fair gap. I don't know if should I take it. What should I do? It respected it again. What should I do? Should I enter? Should I not enter? Should I wait? Should I take it? How much should I risk? And this is bad psychology. It's going my way. Oh, should I? Shouldn't I? Like I'm just speaking out. Oh no, I'm missing the trade. Should I take it? It's going down. It's going short. Oh, it did a break of structure. What should I do? Oh, it just took out my first take profit. If I would have taken this trade, oh no, I just, you know what? Let me take it now. Let me take it now. And I put my stop loss on this area right here. Okay, I can get a 1 to 2. I can get a 1 to 2. That's fine. I missed my entry right here, but I'm still inside of profit. Oh no, I'm in my stop loss area, and this is what happens. This is what happens, and you might be lucky and get a take profit. But this is the chatter, this is the monkey mind, as the Buddhists say, that's happening inside our mind when we have a bad psychology with trade. So we miss this entire move because we have a bad psychology. So when they say edge, edge is thrice. I don't know if you can use that word, but it's three. The same thing goes with if you have a good strategy and good psychology. So you have a good strategy and you're so confident, you're courageous. Every time this happens, you enter without even questioning it, and you take your profit right here, but your risk is 0.25. You're not leveraging your risk. Your equity curve is like this, right? You're not gaining profit. You're gaining very slow profits, right? When somebody's making, like you can just easily just make this line by risking correctly. The same thing goes with having good risk management and good psychology. You've been reading personal development books for 20 years. You have proper risk management. You know your fear level and your greed level with your money management, but you don't have a strategy. And when you don't have a strategy, the edge in the market, you're seeing this. This is what you're seeing. You're not seeing anything because you don't know what you're looking for. It's gibberish for you because you don't have a strategy. So that's why I'm keep iterating and talking about these three edges. And it's important for each and one of us to find what's my edge? What's my edge in my strategy? What do I know works? And I have data on it, and I've been doing it for years, and it satisfies my needs on how I trade and my time frames on how I trade. That's my strategy. That's my edge. And my psychology. Now, when I take a trade, did I sleep good? Did I have a cup of coffee? Am I centered? Am I leveled? Am I breathing? Is my breathing correctly? Am I mentally strong? Did I come from three, four losses? Do I need to be extra aware in entering these trades? If I enter these trades, am I more sensitive to tilt on these moments? These are the things that we need to question ourselves. And with time, everything, everything in your edges become almost second nature to you because you've been doing it for so long. It just requires willpower and effort in the beginning. And the same thing goes with risk management. If I know, if I have a plan, a system of my risk management, do I, how do I follow it to not break my psychology and tilt and blow my account and do the mistakes that usually most traders do: over leverage, over risk, enter trades without having a strategy, just entering randomly. These these things, I'm just risking randomly to gain the profits. Revenge trading. I lost $500. Oh no, I need to risk 1,000 to gain back the 500 and some. So that's my thesis, my explanation of the three edges. I hope it was valuable to you, and feel free to join the school community. Feel free to join and comment and ask questions. If you agree and if you don't agree, let me know. Have a great day.